Well, it has been one heck of a season and video and week, so get ready. You're going to enjoy this, but I don't know, maybe you won't. But it's been a while since I've even done a video, and a lot has happened. More than I've really even been able to process in real time, to be honest. My bus, it's all been broken down since October, right? Well, I finally got a mechanic who was able to come out, and it took weeks of work to get everything in place where it could function again. On top of repairs, we had to fully go through the bus and prepare it to be sold, but also prepare it for the summer that it was going to go through. I made that choice intentionally. I wanted to make sure it was in the right condition, a solid home for whoever comes next. But during that time, life still kept going. See, me and the mechanic, we were working on the bus, grabbing food like pizza, spending time with friends who were even present as witnesses and even helping, and just trying to get through the workload. There was nothing hidden or inappropriate about it. Just building and repairing a van and trying to make a space livable again, and a couple of people finding out that they actually have things in common and hanging out as just friends. And at one point, this is the problem. Someone who was previously involved with this man made a dangerous assumption about what was even happening. Those assumptions weren't based in reality, but they escalated into something that brought a lot of stress and disruption into an already fragile situation. That escalation included bullying behavior, and at one point, a situation where a gun was brought into the picture. It was frightening, unnecessary, and added a level of fear and pressure that no one working on something like this should ever have to deal with. To be clear, I don't date anyone here. I never came to this town for that, and I even have personal boundaries in place that I don't involve myself romantically with anyone locally. That hasn't been my focus at all. Not now, not during any of this. My health has been. So much that I've been willing to walk away from friends who can't respect a boundary if I need rest when my heart needs rest. My health has also been very unstable through all of this. I've had heart issues this week, and I've been in bed at times just trying to recover, and I've even collapsed in a parking lot from the stress and physical strain. So if things have been quiet, that's why. Not avoidance, just trying to recover from a period that became overwhelming in every direction at once. I'm still here, just moving slowly, trying to stabilize and take care of my health, while finishing what I need to finish. Life has definitely taken a turn. This bus, who knows where it's going to end up next. Right now, I'm dust in the wind, baby. Never know where you're going to be, looking for the next open door. Take care.